is my first time at Buc-ee's.
Your croissants are huge.
Should I try a little bit brisket?
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Add it up, plus size, zeros on the table. Jabbing and vibing, bring the beer later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit off. Maybe showing up too much, but I'm a fashion dinner. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams.
I'm currently on a road trip with my baby sister. We're on the way to Tennessee for Thanksgiving to celebrate at my aunt's house. And this is my first time at Buc-ee's.
Thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now, don't know where.
We have like Korean barbecue, and spicy. Ghost pepper? Is that really spicy?
I don't know, I haven't tried it. Should I try it?
I think so. I think you can handle it.
Nothing to hide, falling in love.
Yeah.
To me, it's perfectly clear, I'm falling in love.
Your croissants are huge.
Yeah.
This is called the chopped brisket sandwich.
Egg and cheese.
What the heck?
Bacon, egg, and cheese. Kind of looks nasty.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's good.
I can smell the yumminess.
I'll bake them. You like it? You want to bite of this one? This one's still on everything. Should I try a little bit brisket?
Yeah, two boys too.
Two boys is the worst.
No, I feel like girls are more
When they get older, they're worse, but when they're baby, they should be chill.
Amethyst?
Yeah, you'll see a lot of this inside. You'll see it like not like that. Not like that, but like.
Alright, our trail's a half mile long. We'll take the same trail back, so it's a 1 mile walk.
So down we went, crawling through the dark. 6 hours before we could stand.
You have fun?
Yeah.
You're excited to go to your aunt's house?
Yeah, I'm excited to eat.
Do you know what a Big Mac means? You know what it means? You think Kalari's a Big Mac? You can be honest. You look like an idol.
An idol?
It's not interesting. It's a lot. She said it's like.
Good.
You don't want to do. Alright. Downstairs in a house sale. The dress on your house. Yes, you got it. Who wants to go next?
Why is it breaking apart? Okay.
So hot.
The rolls.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. It's currently Oh, that's so pretty. Here you go.
Oh,
It's
this is so
smooth.
pretty. Yeah, try putting it up.
Yeah. Wow, it feels so smooth. Oh, you have to be careful here
Yeah.
at the bottom. So